Astrid, you and I have been through everything together.
I met you in the dark, you lit me up, you made
I am
me
the
feel
person
as
I am
though
today
I
because of
wasn't
you.
off. We danced the night away, we drank too much. I held your hair back when you were throwing up.
I love you, Astrid
over your shoulder. For a minute I was stone cold sober. I pulled you closer to my chest, and you
Astrid, you got me the greatest gift in the world. You just being here with me is the only gift I need.
I knew I loved you then, but you'd never know. 'Cause I played it cool and I was scared of letting go. I knew I needed you, but I never showed. But I wanna stay with you until we're grown old. Say you won't let go. Just
There will always be a Hiccup in Astrid. Always.
I'll wake you up with some breakfast in bed. I'll bring you coffee with a kiss on your head. And I'll take the kids to school, wave them goodbye.